FTX trade could continue its tasks in the crypto scene in the midst of recently communicated interests among funding, VC, firms. The chance lines up with past statements by the company's lawyer, Andy Dieterich, who revealed that FTX was examining a potential second chance with partners. Nevertheless, the exchange needs to amass a sizable sum of money from external investments or, in the worst-case scenario, the sale of the company's assets for the reboot to take place. According to a recent report, a venture capital firm based in San Francisco called Tribe Capital has expressed an interest in providing the now-defunct crypto exchange with additional capital to help it restart. Arjun Sthimit, co-founder of the venture capital, has already held informal talks with the Committee of Unsecured Creditors at FTX regarding the proposal as of press time. In its proposition, the VC means to send off a pledge drive occasion toward the restoration of FTX. Along with plans to invest some of its own money and recruit limited partners, the target raise is $250 million. Approximately $100 million is the size of this investment, according to reports. By how much capital expected for restarting the trade stays obscure, yet it very well may be Goliath given the pledge drive endeavors and the new recuperation of $73 billion in real money and crypto resources, and it is as yet adequately not. According to the report, Tribe Capital's relationship with FTX dates back to before the exchange filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Before the exchange collapsed, the venture capital firm had invested in it when former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was still in charge. Tribe Capital invests in companies in the crypto industry in addition to FTX, such as Binance US and Kraken. This suggests that the VC is a wealthy investor, and if the deal with the now-defunct FTX goes through, it could be a significant restart for the exchange. It would appear that reviving the FTX exchange's ability to raise capital is more important than regaining the confidence of prospective and existing investors. In response to Tribe Capital's proposed capital influx report, FTX's official Committee of Unsecured Creditors, OCUC, released a statement on Twitter, revealing that debtors are working together to evaluate all options for the exchange's restart. Additionally, they value adding value to FTX creditors. The board explained that there was no reasonable time period for when the dead trade could continue tasks or a potential deal. The OCUC has urged interested buyers and investors to contact the debtors and the committee with this. In an alternate yet related story, endeavors to take action against each superstar that advanced or supported the since-disgraced trade proceed. Shaquille O'Neal, a former NBA player, is the most recent victim, having been arrested outside his Atlanta home. The basketball star had been hiding from lawyers for months, which is notable. As the news about a possible reboot continues, the price of the FTX token, FTT, has risen by more than 20% in response to the possibility of a platform reboot. At the time of writing, FTT is trading for $2.07, down 15% from its high of $2.70 on April 12, when news of a $73 billion recovery sparked speculation about a relaunch. This demonstrates that the relaunch's confirmation might be the ideal impetus for establishing the uptrend.